To begin, launch Teamfight Tactics. Make sure you're on the main menu screen for easy access. Now, locate the gear icon, also known as the settings button. This is your gateway to customization. Click on the settings icon. You'll see multiple tabs. Select the one labeled account. Scroll down until you find the region section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your desired region from the list displayed. Finally, confirm your selection. You're all set to explore your new gaming region. With your region changed, dive into the games. Ready to face players from all around the world. Experiment with new strategies and champions exclusive to your chosen region. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to join region-specific events and tournaments for a chance to win amazing rewards. Always stay updated with news relevant to your new region. Follow announcements for the best strategies. Keep practicing with each match. Your skills will grow, giving you the edge in competitive play. Now you're ready. Enjoy your customized Teamfight Tactics experience and unleash your potential.